Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will comparing the Xiaomi vacuums S10 Plus, S20 Plus and S20. You are looking at three smart robot vacuums that offer varying levels of intelligence and functionality. The S10 Plus is most advanced, featuring reactive 3D obstacle avoidance, AI technology, electric control water tank, and room-based suction/mop setting, making it ideal for complex home layouts and users who want precision control. The S20 Plus offers 7 mop lifting, ultrasonic carpet detection, and quick mapping, plus multiple map support, which is great for multi-floor homes and efficient cleaning. The base model S20 comes with BS Lamp navigation, real-time location tracking, and wide type mobbing, offering solid cleaning performance for smaller spaces or those on a budget. All models include smart app control, HEPA filters, Wi-Fi auto charging, and good runtime. But the S10 Plus edges ahead. It is AI-based obstacle avoidance, have a price range from $500 to $800, with the S10 Plus is being the most premium. Overall, choose the S10 Plus for top-tier AI, S20 Plus for balanced mode features, and S20 for a solid budget-friendly experience. If you find this video helpful, so please like this video and also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.